Laugh and learn, exploring irony in English. Hello everyone and welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're going to have some fun and dive into the world of humor, specifically the comedic device of irony. This is a concept that can add a lot of flavor to your English conversations and comprehension, especially when it comes to jokes and storytelling. Let's get started. Irony is a figure of speech that we use when we want to express something different, often the opposite, of the literal meaning of our words. It is a form of humor that comes from unexpected contrasts or contradictions. Irony can be found everywhere, from everyday conversations to books, movies, and yes, lots of English humor. There are three main types of irony: verbal irony, situational irony, and dramatic irony. Verbal irony happens when someone says one thing but means the opposite. It's similar to sarcasm, but not quite the same. An example of verbal irony might be when someone looks out at heavy rain and says, "What lovely weather we're having." Situational irony involves a situation where the outcome is contrary to what was expected. For instance, if a professional pickpocket had his own pocket picked, that would be situational irony. Dramatic irony is a type of irony often used in books, plays, and movies. In dramatic irony, the audience knows something important that the characters do not. Imagine watching a movie where a character thinks a room is empty, but you, as the viewer, know there's a monster hiding there. Irony is commonly used in English. Understanding irony can not only help you understand humor better but can also help you in understanding the context of a conversation. Let's look at a few examples. 1. If someone says, "Oh great, just what I needed," when something unfortunate happens, they're actually using verbal irony to express their frustration or disappointment. 2. Have you ever had a day where everything went wrong? And then when one more thing happened, you just had to laugh? That's situational irony. And there you have it, folks. A crash course on understanding and recognizing irony in English. Remember, irony is all about contradiction or contrast between what's said, what's expected, and what really happens. It's a fantastic tool to understand and use, making English that much more fun and dynamic. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope that this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons in our Learning English, Listening and Speaking Skills, Storytelling and Jokes series. Happy learning, everyone!